Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on the video. Today is going to be a little bit different than most of all the rest of them. We've got a little, you know, what would you call it? Kind of a catch and clean type of video. But we couldn't really record coming in here because we're in a undisclosed location. But I'm going to turn the camera around here and let you guys watch what's going on. And then we'll bring you back. Alright, so there you got it. We got some pigs in the trap. I'm going to set you guys up. We've already got the trailer backed up to it. And we're hoping it's going to work out well. We'll see. So we're going to go over there. We got Trinity up there to open the gate. Let me back you out just a little bit. Alright, now I'm going to go around and we're going to see if we can make this work. So let's cross our fingers.
Secure that, make sure it's secure over there.
No, let me get pulled up. Jump forward.
Move that chair and get in, Sissy.
Come over here.
You want me to touch this stuff?
I want you to move my truck forward.
Do you think he cares what your hands look like? Nope, the steering wheel cover lamp. It's very
All right, so we're gonna probably add music on that because it wasn't really it wasn't fun. It was really loud. So we'll probably fast forward a little bit and add a little bit of music. But we got them in the pen. We're gonna come in the trailer. We're gonna come over and look at them real quick before it gets too dark out here. So I'm gonna turn you around. Let's go take a look. Let's see. Let's turn that. Ultra wide. Trying to get the light on. There we go. All right, now I'll see if I can look in here without dropping my phone in there.
That'd be bad.
That would be horrible. So there they are, pretty good size. Not too big, but big enough to make some good meals. But anyways, we're gonna get finished up here and rebait this trap, and we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna take these suckers home and get them cleaned up. We'll probably bring you along on the eating part, but not the cleaning up part, because it can be pretty nasty sometimes. So we'll see y'all in a little while. Okay, so we got it set. We got a bunch of corn in here, a little bit of special stuff poured out of a jug, and lots of corn. Got that stick holding that brick up. When they knock it out, the gate will fall. So we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of corn on the outside, then we're gonna get out of here. All right, y'all, we're back out here tonight. We're about to do a before and after on these hogs. I don't know how much I'm going to show in the video of the actual cleaning, just because I don't want to get a strike or nothing on my channel. But got my hoist rigged up here, got it all up in the tree good, got a handle on it so it's easier to pick it up. And we are about to go extinguish these pigs and get them cleaned up and prepared for freezer camp. So I'm going to show a little bit, but not too much. But follow along and check us out. Alright guys, we're here skinning them. We're probably going to blur out what we're doing here, just we don't want no stripes. But I got my great helper right here.
It's cold. Very.
Okay y'all, I did go ahead and blur it out to kind of block it from you guys a little bit in case you don't want to see that kind of stuff, but wanted to watch the video all the way through, and I greatly appreciate y'all. If you want to, you can fast forward it, because at the end of this we're going to be cooking them or smoking them on the smoker. So if you just want to skip past this part, go right ahead. It'll be about the 9 minutes 20 seconds or 15 seconds, something like that, if you wanted to go ahead and fast forward it to it. But we are no professional, so it's taking us a few minutes. We don't do it for a living, we just do it whenever we get a pig or something in the trap. So it takes us maybe a little bit longer than if we took it to the processor, but it's a little cheaper if we do it ourselves, and we get to spend time together. Me and Trinity, she loves to be out there and helping me with it, and Titus too. Just right now it's really cold outside, so and it's a little bit late, so he stayed inside, but Trinity was out there with me. But anyways, let's get on to the cooking part of this video. Alright, we got all the cleaning done, preparing. Now, it's time for the cooking part. So here goes. I got a few coals in here, charcoals, to get the fire going and get the heat, you know, to stay inside. And I got my my wood there to do all the smoking. And down here I got a little bit more, spilt some of the ashes there, but got some warmer wood to put on it. Then I've also got some hickory chunks that I chopped up to add to it. But we're gonna let this get going and get burning real good. We're gonna get the back strap. That's what we're gonna cook first. We're gonna get it going and seasoned up real nice. We'll get it on this smoker. It's actually a grill, but you can smoke with it also. So I'm calling it a smoker tonight, or this evening anyways. So anyways, I'm gonna let this get going, get the back strap going, and I'll bring you back when we're putting it on the grill. Don't go anywhere. All right, they're all nice and heated up.
I'm not making you.
I'm gonna put the meat on here. Been marinating for a while. Put a little small piece up top. Once I close the lid down, the fire will go back out. I know I'm right in y'all's way. Alright. Well, there's some garlic in here. I'll get this sifted out here in a minute here. Yeah, I'll just use my hands. I know I'm right in y'all's way. There we go. Go ahead and drip a little bit on here, just to kind of fill up a little pockets there. Alright, we'll Gotta put that fire out a little bit. Put that down, get that fire out.
Daddy,
Hey,
I
baby.
want to have you blower.
Yeah, you do.
Is it okay, actually?
Yeah, it'll be okay for now, baby.
Can I have you hold up with this?
No, no problem. It's on. They're watching me cook this. Yeah, baby.
Think of it on this.
Yeah, that's all right.
I'm okay.
Oh, would you hand me that napkin, baby? Okay.
Let me open this. Can I open it?
Now, some good old seasoning here.
Oh,
I like coffee, everything.
Dang it, I have to know because it's really empty.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Yuck. What is that tobacco?
It's meat. This is that pig we cleaned.
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna be wonderful.
I don't love meat.
Oh, yeah, you will. You gotta try it. It'll be great.
I'll wrap it in cornbread and then you'll like it, right?
All right. So there it
How do
is.
you make
We're gonna let it sit on here for a little while. Get smoked real good, and we'll come back and check in a little while. All right, we're checking our
Oh, meat.
meat now. Give me a sucker here, but the skin broke off. Mm-mm-mm.
Get in the way.
Zoom in. Can they see the meat real good?
Yeah.
It's sure looking good. Hold on, baby. Man, that looks great. Yeah. it
Ah.
does. Looking good. I finally got my cameraman. She showed up. She's been busy. But, whew, I gotta close this. That smoke's getting to me. Alright, well, we've got a little bit longer to go on it. And, we're gonna be able to taste it out and see how it is. But, y'all don't judge me now. This ain't no grilling with Nick. I know he's a professional at it. But, you know, I think it's gonna taste alright. What about you, Trinity?
Yeah.
I think it'll taste pretty darn good. Titus, what about you?
I think I'm gonna eat that too. I guess.
You guess it's gonna taste pretty good too?
Yeah.
Alright. What are you looking at?
Whatever's in your sucker.
I was just a sucker.
Okay.
Don't judge my sucker.
I'm judging your sucker.
And I did break the stem off.
That's not the only thing wrong with it.
That's alright.
Okay.
Alright guys, well, we'll be back. We'll come back, we'll let it cook a little bit longer, and we'll come back and it'll probably be done by then. See you. Okay. Woo. Get you all in a little bit closer to this. There we go. Woo, looking good. We got a little bit longer, so we're gonna go ahead and get it covered up here. I like to put a little bit of rub on it, or a lot. Right before I take it off. I'm gonna flip it over and do the same to the other side. Yeah, baby. Don't get too close. You get burned. Don't bump the camera neither. Man, I can't wait to try it. Smoke's horrible though. Woohoo! I wonder what that foil is. That's just a little bag of smoke. Just adds a little bit more flavor into the smoke. I forgot to put it in there earlier. While I was on camera, but been in there for a little while. That was just a little piece that was cut off, so I threw it in. It's ready to come off. Get this closed up here. Whew. Alright, you get out of control. Alright. Woohoo! Okay, so let's put a little bit more of this on there. Oh. Shoo. There we go. Now, let that cook a few more minutes, and then we're going to take it off. Alright, we're going to try it out. See if we let it cook too long, just right. Oh man, it sure looks good.
We haven't thrown the rock yet. I told you many.
You see it good there?
Num num nummy, nummy num. I have a
Okay,
bite.
hold on a minute. Let me try it out.
I have a bite.
Let's see if it's worth the darn. Smells good. Oh, hot. Woo, woo. I should have blew on it. Oh wow.
Dad.
Goofy.
Dad.
That is good. It's a lot better than I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah. Super high better, all right.
Man, that is good. You want a piece, Trinity?
Yeah.
Careful.
Titus.
Be careful. You want a piece?
Yeah,
It's a little warm. Not
Well,
spicy, but
Hot. Obviously,
Very
it's
hot.
on the grill.
oh, you just blow on it.
Oh, this one won. This one not.
Oh, it looks good.
One again.
Let me get that, and then I'm gonna cut this. See if it's good. It's ready to come off. And
Oh.
here, let me hit that fork. Give me that fork. Man, tender.
That's good.
By golly. You know, just saying that to, you know, you're not trying to not hurt my feelings, right?
I mean, yeah.
Oh, don't you even say. You better say it's our best.
I mean, the meat. Oh, the meat.
It's wonderful. Is that what you're trying to say?
No, like the texture's good, but like the flavor is not all there.
What?
Yeah, go ahead.
No, I didn't marinate it long enough, but it tastes great. It really does taste good.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah, Yeah.
Well, I've smoked it on my grill.
What'd you do that for?
Well,
I was gonna eat
you
it.
said it's not that great.
Shut up. Give me
No,
that.
if it's not that great, you don't get it.
I'll pour the tea on there.
Look at that. Is that my garlic? Oh, yeah, look at that.
And you're gonna
Some of my garlic is still on there. I thought I lost it. My
Don't-
garlic.
Dad, don't eat that.
Oh, I'm going to eat it. Let's see. Oh, I won't focus. Can't get it to focus. Sorry, y'all. But it's great. Hey, what happened to it? I was holding my hand up and it disappeared. Oh, man.
Because I said I'm gonna eat it.
That's in my pickled garlic. I put in my honey. Oh, wow. That's amazing.
Hot.
All right. That's good. I ain't gonna go here close.
Oh,
Well, all right.
wow.
That's gonna wrap it up. How'd it turn out?
Okay.
Pretty good.
Little
Still a little bit too warm.
No.
She didn't blow on it enough.
That's the one I can't breathe.
Hey, don't talk food in your mouth. She blamed it on the smoke, but it ain't the smoke. Anyhow, so that's gonna wrap it up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you can hear me over Titus over here hollering. But we had fun, didn't we? Trapped it, went out, picked it up. At that location we were at was actually belonged to a singer that is in the area. We'll put it that way. Close by.
Yeah.
And everybody knows him. But that used to be his house, his cabin. But anyways, it was fun. We went out, we captured them, killed them, cleaned them. Now we ate them. So we're gonna go inside. We're gonna get us off the grill. We're gonna go in and we're gonna eat it. And she keeps moving around back and forth. I don't know what the deal is. But anyways, we're gonna go in. We're gonna eat. We're really gonna enjoy it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I guess that's about it for this one, huh? Okay,
Yeah.
wraps it up. Thank you all for watching. If you haven't already, hit that like and that subscribe button. See you the next time.